Hello my dear subscribers! Each of us has a plenty of electronic devices, for instance at home, in the office, even now in the pocket. Have you ever pondered about the working of those devices? It assumes to be true. However, let me explain it for you in the very sophisticated and easy way. Electronics is described by the internet as the branch of physics and technology concerned with the design of circuits using transistors and microchip, with the behavior of movement of electrons in... No, why do we need this determination? Electronics is a magic, being available for everyone. But before we start, let's briefly observe the history of electronics. Certainly, I don't want to have you tortured by long and boring history of electricity, starting from the ancient Greece, but I'm going to tell you the story about modern electronics. Electronics history began with the invention of vacuum diode by Sir John Ambrose Fleming in the 1897, and after that a vacuum triode was implemented by Lee De Forest to amplify electrical signals. Later, the transistor era began with the junction transistor invention in 1948 at Bell Labs. The use of germanium and silicon semiconductor materials made these devices very cheap and extremely popular. You surely may ask me, what the hell was the transistor and why did those crazy guys get the Nobel Prize for it? Simply speaking, transistor is a key or switcher which can be controlled and can amplify the power of some signal. And that's all. If transistor is opened, the signal from input transfers to the output and vice versa. Combining such keys brought scientists to the new step of engineering, the integrated circuits, being consisted from thousands or even billions of transistors. All these devices are bricks of any electronic circuits, and other components being connected together are similar to cement for building the whole building. This is definitely interesting story. However, you still don't understand how your phone works, do you? Each electronic device provides to be depicted as the next diagram. As you can see, there are some sensors, for instance a microphone, a button, a video camera, an antenna and other, sending different weird signals to the brain from the external world. Having been converted to binary code and handled by the brain, the signal flows by wires to the output device, being a screen of your phone or dynamic, etc. For example, there is some icon of the program located on the screen on your phone. Having been touched by finger, the touchscreen accepts this touch by capacitive sensor and transfers the signal to the microcontroller about the program being located under the position of this particular location of touch. Next, the controller sends the signal for the program to be opened, and so on. Each touch is accepted as some signal to raise the sound or to call someone. Thereby, all the magic is just opening and closing small keys and reflection of this process via some interface. So, I hope since that moment you have the poor awareness about electronics in general, and my video was successful for you. Thanks for your watching.